Hello guys, welcome back sa aking channel. Ayan. And for today's video is mag-open na naman tayo na parcel. So ayan. Another day, another parcel. So ayan. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Mag-umpisa na tayo. So ayan guys. Ito na. Buksan na natin. So, in-order ko pala ito sa TikTok. Taran! So, ayan. Marami kong in-order. So, may color brown. Color brown. Color brown. Ayan. Ito, damit pala yung in-order ko. Ayan. Kasi yung nung una, isa lang binili ko na ito, diba? Nakita niyo naman doon sa unang video ko, isa lang yung binili ko kasi nag-try naman ako. So, nag-order ako uli kasi maganda siya sa akin. Medyo cute. Tsaka, ibang kulay na yung order ko. So, ito siya. Ang design niya pa yan. Kulay brown. Ayan, tsaka stretchable siya. Ang size na ito ay large to double XL. Triple pa nga eh. So, ito naman black. Black. So, ayan. Ganun din ang style niya. Color lang ang pinag-iba. Stretchable. Oh, pak. Ito naman. So, ayan. Kapag ganito pa. Thank you for supporting me. Ito naman kulay. Green. Color blend lang ako. Itim lang ba? Ay, green ba? So, ayan. Hindi, kulay green pa. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Ibang design na. Pinadala. In-order ko yung ano lang. Yung ganitong style. Ito naman. May pa-B. So, ayan. Stretchable siya. Tan. At may color white. So, ayan. Ayan. Color white. So, may favorite color. White. Baliktad. So, ayan. Ito siya. Sando rin. Lahat naman po sando in order ko. Pare-parehas lang ang design. Pinagkaiba lang ang color. So, lahat to XL. Large to double XL. Meron pa kulay pink. Color pink. Ayan. Maganda yung pink, oh. Pink ba ito? Violet. So, ayan. Kulay pink. Maganda. Ito, makapalang tela. Yung iba manipis. So, ito siya. At yan. Ito kulay peach. Ayan. So, ayan, habang magbubukas ako dito ng parcel, kung di pa kayo naka-subscribe sa akin channel, please do subscribe and mag-like na kayo dyan. So, ayan, ito siya. Color pink. Ayan. Kulay po bagay yung kulay sa akin. Stretchable din siya. Ay, ang lambot. Ito kulay green. Ayan. Oh, yan. Maganda rin. Maganda rin yung color gray. Yan. Stretchable. Malambot. Ayan. At last one. Color orange. Kulay orange. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilan yung na-order ko. Bakit ang dami nitong kulay. Ito malaki eh. Ang laki niya. Maganda yung kulay orange pala. Makapal yung tela. Yung iba malalambo. Ay, maninipis. So, ito makapal. Yung kulay orange, saka yung saan na yun? Pink. Ayan. So, ayan. Isa na natin. Magsukat na tayo. Tan 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 tan.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So, ayun guys, nagustuhan niyo ba ang aking pagsusukat ng mga damit? At ang gaganda nila, diba? So, ang video na to, bigyan niyo naman ng like and subscribe. Sa mga hindi nakasubscribe dyan, please do subscribe to my channel. And for more video, ayan, na ganito. So, ayan, hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Maraming salamat sa mga nagsasubscribe, nagpa-follow sa akin.